Meaning of homewards.
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 Homewards. The word homewards means moving or directed towards one's home or towards the place where one lives. It is an adverb that describes the direction of movement. The use of homewards implies a sense of familiarity, comfort, and belonging associated with home. Using this word can convey a feeling of anticipation or eagerness to return to a familiar setting. It can also evoke a sense of relief or contentment after a long journey or period of separation. Overall, homewards is a word that captures the essence of the emotional attachment and longing for home.